All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. Have a little change of scenery for you guys. Sorry about the background noise. Some people might enjoy it, but we'll talk about that afterwards. But this actually caught my eye with everything that's going on. The crypto market's kind of like, I mean, actually, like Ethereum had a little good day today. But anyway, not talking about crypto, just talking about hardware. Intel is actually, or might be, preparing a sub $100 graphics card. And a lot of people don't get excited about the small stuff, but in the past, especially, you know, not this last bull run, but the previous bull run, some of the smaller cards like GTX 1050s, even 1030s, were really, really good mining options on that run up. Now, obviously, they didn't have enough VRAM and they weren't powerful enough to mine any of the current stuff. Like, you couldn't put them on Ravencoin and stuff nowadays, but back in the day, you could. So seeing sub $100 cards coming out now, they may be a good option in the future. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Let's talk about it though. So, it is the Intel Arc A300, but the Arc A380 is about to launch in the US, and it's supposed to be $129 to $139 MSRP. I don't imagine they're going to be selling much over MSRP because the A380 is already like a low power budget card. It's not going to be the cheapest discrete offering. Like I said, the A300 is apparently supposed to take that spot, and it's projected to cost no more than $100. So anywhere from like potentially a $79 to $99 GPU. And at first I'm thinking like, oh, this thing's not going to come with anything. What's the A380 coming out with? Because that's a card, that's a $129 to $139 card. What's it going to have? Apparently it's already going to have 6 gigabytes of GDDR6. So potentially this $100 or $80 to $100 card might even have 4 gigabytes, which right now there's nothing that can compete with that in that price market, at least not new. Alexei Nikolachuk, I butchered that, I'm sorry. The developer behind MSI's Afterburner has published a picture of yet another unannounced single-slot, low-profile Intel Arc A300 graphics card with a dual-fan cooler. The cooling system was a 3D printed cooler, so we're not dealing with commercial product here. Meanwhile, this could be a design for a highly cheap Arc A300 graphics card. That's what they're suspecting here. What we do know is the Arc A380 comes with 1,000 CUDA cores, 6 gigabytes of GDDR6. So, I mean, if that bad boy comes out now, it could potentially mine some Ethereum. I don't know how successfully it could mine it, but I think the 96-bit memory bus would hold it back. But it is what it is. I mean, it's a $129 card. Like, if it got 10 mega hash, would you be mad? I don't even know if it'd get 10. Let's see here. There's a couple other things on this article that really piqued my interest. That's the A380 that has the 6 gigabytes. I don't think the A300 is gonna have 6 gigs, but it's just nice to see that there's gonna be a sub $100 offering. Let's see here. Oh, the A300 is supposed to be catered to low profile and single slot cards. So no external PCIe power. It'll just run off the slot. I mean, that for the budget market, especially like gaming, like theater PCs, upgrading an OEM system, it seems like Intel may be working towards something. I know I watched the Gamers Nexus review on the current like Alchemist gaming cards, like the bigger boy cards, not the ones we're talking about right now. And they definitely do seem to be lackluster, especially if you don't have a system that's compatible with the shared access memory. That's not, or SAM. That's actually what it's called on AMD. Resizable bar. So if you're slapping one of these in like an old system or something that doesn't have resizable bar, I guess sorry about that. I guess these new Intel GPUs don't seem to be the ticket, but I don't know. I guess only time will tell. I'm excited about these new little cards, though. I don't know why. It's just one of those things. It's like, man, if it launches, I'm gonna be honest, I really want one of the A380s, which are supposed to be $129 to $139, 6 gigs. I want to throw that thing on Ethereum. It can't be that bad, really. Apparently it's supposed to come in performance-wise above the RX 6400 and below the 6500 on the A380, but I don't think either of those can mine Ethereum because they don't have enough VRAM. Let me actually check that. 6500 XT, I think they're a 4 gig card. RX 6500 XT. They are currently, it's a 6400 XT, 169 for a 6400 XT, and they are a 4 gig card, and a 6500 XT. I believe those are too, if my phone would load. Sorry about this, guys. Yep, they're a 4 gigabyte card too. So we don't have a lot of experience knowing what they'll do on Ethereum. Obviously, I guess somebody could buy those and then throw them on like ETC, but the low profitability on ETC, it doesn't make sense to be buying a card that's $180 to $150. These being in that $120 to $130 at launch, maybe might be able to get a deal on them. Who knows? I don't know. Oh man, it's pretty dark behind me. It's actually, it doesn't look that dark, but anyway. So yeah, I was just making a video about that tonight. Now talking about the scenery and stuff. By the way, the video is kind of over. It's just gonna be me rambling a little bit. So if anybody's wondering what's going on, obviously here's my house right here. I'm living in my camper. We're still building the new house, or the new garage, whatever you want to call it. But it's a very cool opportunity because since we're living in a camper, if we want to go camping somewhere, especially if we keep it close by, we can just like camp out here during the week, and then we just go to work, and then we come back and we're at the campground. It's kind of like a vacation, even though we're not vacationing, but we're vacationing, you know what I'm saying? So we just decided to get away a little bit. I invited some friends over tomorrow night, so maybe they cook some hot dogs, play some cornhole, enjoy it. But I do have to run back by the mining farm tomorrow, and I was planning on doing a motherboard swap. So hopefully that goes smoothly, and you guys will see that video tomorrow. If not, I don't know. That might just be how the cookie crumbles. So, oh my gosh, my phone's getting blown up. All right, guys, I'm gonna let y'all have a good night, and let me know down below. Would you guys be interested in buying a sub $100 GPU from Intel? I still have high hopes for Intel and their GPU side. I don't think they're going to be able to be competitive in the mid to upper GPUs anytime soon, but I think if they tackle the sub $200 market, especially if they come in I want to say, like, if they had a $79.99, like a $79, a $99, a $129, like if they had like some small tier cards like that, that would just kill it. I would imagine. I don't know. I guess only time will tell. And I guess if it doesn't play games good, what's the point? But who knows? Yeah, is what it is. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna go get some sleep. Peace out. Have a good night.